In the current turbulent times, when organizations are doing their best to maximize profits and productivity, many companies are noticing communication gaps and a big loss in productivity. These problems are aggravated due to the shift to remote working. A major hospital and research institution in Qatar was no exception to this. As a 400-bed facility, they believe in raising the entire country's standard of healthcare. Through groundbreaking medical research, their goal is to promote the health and well-being of women and children. They have 15 main branches and 150 departments in total. With so many teams within the organization, they were struggling with scattered processes for information management and collaboration for their entire business. As a result, there was constant miscommunication among different departments, employees couldn't access the right information at the right time, and productivity was low. They needed a way to not only optimize collaboration, but also keep all this information safe from security threats. This is where ITCube came to their rescue. IT Connect, our robust and responsive intranet portal, allows users to easily manage both company-wide and department-specific information. Employees can view or gain access to company-wide information like company news and events on the user-friendly homepage and navigate to different department sites for specific documents or discussions. The intuitive homepage also hosts a range of discussion boards and polls to encourage employees to learn, engage, and create an ecosystem of knowledge sharing. To help the hospital with information security, we made sure that the admin can easily decide which users can access what information. This is done through predefined configurations. This ensures that even when employees are working remotely, they can access IT Connect through a quick login process. This partnership didn't stop there. Thanks to our intuitive reports and dashboards, the hospital now easily tracks employee engagement on the portal and makes efficient decisions. Finally, their admin teams easily maintain and utilize document libraries with our portal's intelligent search capabilities. ITCube's expertise has helped this client achieve a 96% user engagement rate, a 95% employee satisfaction, and 100% information visibility across the organization. The modern user interface design of the portal, aligned with the hospital's own branding, further endears employees to the hospital's mission and values. They make full use of this knowledge exchange platform and boast superior employee productivity. Their goal of optimizing healthcare operations through effective and safe collaboration is now simpler to achieve than ever. They continue to revolutionize healthcare for Qatar. They serve over 25,000 patients and we serve them. Click here to find out how we can serve you.